Well, who's this?
Hello, Elevator Man 45.
Well, this was unexpected. We're here at Dick's House of Sport. Here at Beavercreek, Ohio.
This is the mall at Fairfield Commons.
There it is. Schindler.
I'm gonna jump out.
Go down?
Come on in. Sorry. No, you're good. I love these glass elevators that they put in.
No, I don't know what it is. I just like these better than the boring 330As.
Oh, exactly.
We don't have one of these in Chicagoland region yet. But hopefully one of these days
Hopefully.
we'll get one in Chicagoland region to probably replace a Sears.
Yeah.
Because was this a Sears store originally?
This was Elder Beerman.
Okay.
There used to be a Vector in here.
Oh, a Vector. We got replaced by 55. Well, this is a worthy replacement. Not a.
Replacement.
There goes the elevator. Guess that's gonna be it for me.